Gardens of Luxury, exploring exquisite homes with breathtaking outdoor spaces. In the realm of architectural excellence, luxury gardens stand as a testament to the art of high-end landscaping and thoughtful garden design. These stunning homes are not merely structures, they are sanctuaries that seamlessly blend indoor elegance with serene outdoor spaces. Homeowners today are increasingly valuing outdoor living as an extension of their interiors, creating beautiful gardens that are as functional as they are visually captivating. As we delve into the world of luxury gardens, we find that breathtaking outdoor spaces offer more than just a feast for the eyes, they provide a tranquil retreat from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Each garden tells a unique story, reflecting the personality and lifestyle of its inhabitants. With meticulous attention to detail, high-end landscaping transforms ordinary backyards into extraordinary landscapes, featuring lush greenery, vibrant blooms, and carefully curated outdoor amenities. Luxury home features are often complemented by these stunning gardens, which serve as an inviting backdrop for gatherings and celebrations. Imagine a sprawling patio adorned with elegant furniture, surrounded by fragrant flowers and the gentle sound of water cascading from a beautifully designed fountain. Such spaces encourage relaxation and foster connections with nature, enhancing the overall living experience. Furthermore, the integration of sustainable practices in garden design has become a hallmark of modern luxury. Homeowners are increasingly opting for eco-friendly features that not only beautify their outdoor environments but also promote environmental stewardship. From native plant selections to efficient irrigation systems, these choices elevate the overall appeal of luxury gardens while being mindful of the planet. In conclusion, luxury gardens are much more than aesthetic enhancements, they represent a lifestyle choice that embraces the beauty of the natural world. Whether it's a meticulously manicured landscape or a wild, naturalistic garden, these breathtaking outdoor spaces enrich our lives and elevate the standard of living within stunning homes. As we continue to redefine outdoor living, let us celebrate the serene outdoor spaces that inspire us to connect with nature and enjoy the finer things in life.